Hello students, today we are going to see SQL functions. SQL functions has been categorized in many categories. In that some main categories are scalar functions, aggregate functions, text function, string functions, date and time functions, etc. So in brief, what is a scalar function? A function that takes only one input and returns a single output, like mathematical function, date function, text function, etc. Here this example, select left name from left name comma 4 from students. Student is a table and left is a function, and function will always have one parenthesis. This is the identity of function. आप फंक्शन को इस ब्रैकेट से ही पहचान सकते हैं. किसी वर्ड के साथ ABC एंड ब्रैकेट लगा है तो दैट इज फंक्शन इन लैंग्वेज और डेटाबेस. सो दिस इज द फंक्शन. नेम is a particular name of a column and 4 is second argument, and what it will do, it will display 4 left side letter of the row of name. नेम में से 4 लेटर, फर्स्ट 4 लेटर ये निकाल के आपको दिखाएगा. So this type of function is called a scalar function. Next is aggregate function. Aggregate function means it works on a particular column and gives a result gives a single result. Take multiple inputs but gives single results, like maximum of any data, minimum of any data, count of records, sum of different values, average of different values. These are the aggregate function. Next is mathematical functions. Mathematical function is power, mode and round. These are the mathematical functions. So let us start with this functions. First function is power. So power means when you are going to compute x to the power y, आप x to the power y कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं तो आप पावर फंक्शन का यूज़ करेंगे. इसमें 2 आर्गुमेंट होता है, एक बेस और एक एक्सपोनेंट, लाइक x एंड पावर y. सो फर्स्ट आर्गुमेंट इज x, सेकेंड आर्गुमेंट इज y. Very simple to understand. M is number that will work as base and n is power exponent that will work as exponentiation. So example, select power. You want to calculate 2 to the power 3, so it will give you this value 8. So let's see the practically. you can see it practically also here. For this type of function you no need to go inside any database, you can check without database also, but when you are calculating some other functions, then you have to use some tables. So when we will use that function, we will use our database. So first, power can be used at POWER or POW, both are working function for MySQL. So 2, 3, and to display you have to use this with select statement, select PWO power, and you can write like this. So it is giving 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So this is the power function. Next one is round function. Round function, it is also very popular function. हम सब लोग इसको यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी नंबर को राउंड करने के लिए. जैसे आप 99 रुपीज़ को राउंड करके आप 100 बनाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे एक रूल्स होता है, इसको समझना ज़रूरी है. आप पॉइंट के बाद नंबर्स को राउंड करें तो वहाँ पे एक चीज़ ध्यान देना होता है कि वो नंबर जो है जिसको हम राउंड करने जा रहे हैं वो 5 या 5 से ग्रेटर है कि नहीं. अगर 5 से ग्रेटर होगा तो उसका वैल्यू क्या होगा, उसका वैल्यू 1 होगा और दैट विल बी गिवन टू नेक्स्ट लेफ्ट साइड digit. So in this example you can see here round 454.325 comma 2. 2 means you are going to have only 2 digit after decimal point. So it has removed 2 and it is giving 0.35, 454.35, because this 2 last digit was less than 5, so it has been ignored by calculation. Next, 0 means comma 0 means you don't want any digit after decimal, so it is giving like this. -1 means you want to round whole number of first digit of whole number, means unit place digit. So this is 4 and 4 is less than 5, so it has been ignored and it is giving 450. It was 454, but 454 is very near to 450, that's why it is giving 450. अगर ये 455 होता, 455 होता, तो it would have given, ये क्या देता, 460. Next, -2 means you want to round 2 digits of whole number. Minus means you want to round whole number, without minus means you want to round this fractional parts. Here you can see 454 and you want to round 2 digits, so 5 is equal to 5, so it will give 1 to 4. and 5 will become 0, so its output will be 500. Okay, so it can be also seen as practical, like select round and 253 dot 456. So if you give 0 means if you don't want to have any डेसिमल पार्ट, आपको सिर्फ होल नंबर चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे आपको ये क्या दिया 253, बिकॉज आपने कहा कि डेसिमल के बाद हमें 0 डिजिट चाहिए. 0 डिजिट मीन्स नो डिजिट. 1 किया तो क्या होगा, 6 will be removed and 5 will become 6. So like this you can see one means after decimal 1 plus, so after decimal only 1 digit is coming. If you want 2 after decimal 2 digit, then it will be like this. So it is 4 6, it was 4 5, but now it is 4 6 because last digit was greater than 5, so that 6 is removed and its weightage has been given to next digit. इसका जो weightage था वो 1 इसमें ऐड हो गया. So like this you can do. If you give this in minus means you are going to display whole number which will have 2 0 at unit place and tens place. So you can see 253 is closer to 300. Why? Because 5 has given weightage to 2 as 1, 5 1 weightage दिया 2 को, इसलिए 3 हो गया. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आप इसको राउंड फिगर में देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज mod function. Mod function means it will give you remainder. When you divide a number by another number, it gives, generally it gives quotient, but when we want remainder after divide, that time we use mod function. आप डिवाइड करते हैं तो दो चीज़ आता है, एक रिमाइंडर आता है और एक क्वोशेंट आता है. तो आप क्वोशेंट देखना चाहते हैं तो सिर्फ सिंपल डिवाइड करेंगे, एंड रिमाइंडर देखना चाहते हैं तो आप क्या करेंगे, मॉड फंक्शन यूज़ करेंगे. तो अगर हम डिवाइड करना चाहते हैं किसी नंबर को, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, 11/3 किया तो ये क्या देगा, 11/3 मीन्स इट इज गिविंग quotient, but I want remainder, that should come 2, because 3 3s are 9 and 2 will be remainder. That 2, how to get that 2? For that, if you write percentage then also it will give remainder 2, because slash gives quotient and percentage gives remainder. And if you write mod 11 comma 2, then also it will give you same answer. 11 is divided by 2, so remainder is 1, and 11 is divided by 3, then remainder will be 2. So 11 is divided by 3, remainder is 2. So this function works like this. In next video we will see the function of strings and text. So practice this and take care. Thank you very much.